We're going to find the arc length of f of x equals to 2/3 times x squared minus 1 to the 3/2 power over the interval x greater or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 3. So recall that when we have a function f of x defined over the interval a to b, and this function is differentiable, the arc length formula is the integral from a to b of the square root of 1 plus f prime of x squared. So let's go ahead and take the derivative of this function. F prime of x is equal to 2/3 times 3/2 is 1. So this is x squared minus 1 to the 1/2 times the derivative of x squared minus 1, that is 2x. And now we're going to go ahead and square the derivative. So f prime squared equals to x squared minus 1 to the 1/2 becomes x squared minus 1, and 2x squared is 4x squared. Let's go ahead and multiply this. X squared times 4x squared is 4x to the 4th, and then minus 4x squared. And now we need to take 1 and add that to derivative squared. So 1 plus f prime of x squared becomes 4x to the 4th minus 4x squared plus 1. And arc length then is the integral from 1 to 3 of square root of 4x to the 4th minus 4x squared plus 1. Now what we have to do here is to evaluate this integral, trying to see if we can make a substitution. Clearly will not work, but what we notice is that 4x to the 4th minus 4x squared plus 1 is a perfect square, and that's what will allow us to evaluate this integral. This is the integral from 1 to 3 of square root, rewriting 4x to the 4th minus 4x squared plus 1 as 2x squared minus 1 squared will allow us to evaluate the integral. Square root and square cancel, and this just becomes a simple integral from 1 to 3 of 2x squared minus 1, which is evaluated easily. We end up with 2/3 x cubed minus x evaluated from 1 to 3. So let's plug in 3. We have 27 over 3 is 9 times 2 is 18, and then minus 3. From this we subtract 2/3 and minus 1. So we have 15 plus 1 is 16 minus 2/3. And so 16 is 48 over 3 minus 2 over 3. The final answer is 46 divided by 3. That's the length of this curve over that interval. For more videos, visit www.mathprepvideos.com.